You're Melonian Mellow. How's it going? All right. YouTube is ready. This green screen is gonna bother me. I need to figure out what the hell is going on here. Let me see. Let me see this again. All right, that should be good. Oh my god. Ugh. Here, let me increase the light a little bit. Just call me. Yeah. I know. I'm trying to increase the brightness of my. Yo, how's it going, Will Time? Oh yeah, Will Time. I gotta add you as a mod as well. Dude, it's like I don't think you would notice it if I had the filter on or the stroke like shader thing, but I like the stroke shader. It's good. Wardstone Studio does this is looking hella cool, dude. Thank you, Wardstone. It'd look even cooler if my green screen was cooperating. Not sure. Yo, you know what? Maybe it's because of this like little. Or hopefully, maybe that'll help. All right. So is it official? The demo is going to be unlocked today. It will be officially unlocked today. Yes. I've done most of the testing yesterday and throughout the days. So I was gonna do it on stream, like the release of it. So I haven't done that yet. There is like, I feel like I remember there was like one slight bug. We're gonna like triple check on the private like playtest version first, and then yeah, we should have it done by like, if we speed run right now, it should be done by like an hour. But yeah, let me add well time actually, dude. What the hell is my? What the hell is this? Is this a new thing on OBS? Here, wait, let me share my screen too. Like I'm right clicking the chat, or like I'm right clicking whale time, and it's like I can do this weird, there's like this weird bar where it's like, I don't even know what it's asking me to do. It's like I can ban or purge. It's weird. Not sure what that's about. But that shouldn't matter. Oops. Purge me. Here, let me see. How do I even mod someone? Grant user. Okay, there we go. Also, I made some updates to the overlay. I haven't exported a version of it, but I actually made this thing off stream where there's like a gold pile behind me. I can show you guys here. Before we do that, I'll show you guys because I think it looks kind of cool. Give me 1 second. All right. I'll show you guys because maybe I'll export it right now. It's not perfect yet, or like I kind of made it quickly and then was like, oh, this is cool, but then I never checked for like any bugs. But we can use it today and see how it goes. I'll have to export a version of it though. You'll see it's kind of cool. There's like a dragon behind me. There's a gold pile behind me, and every time there's a pledge, a coin drops, and a dragon consumes the coin. I'll show you. Yeah, that's the dragon right there. So here, actually, let me just export it now, and then we'll try it out. Hopefully, it's just not. Hopefully, it doesn't like break. All right, let's close. Close our current one. All right, so it's the same exact thing, except this time it's different. What? Wait. What? Where's my dragon? Huh? What? I'll try it again. Oh, rename temporary embedding failed. Here, let's not embed. There it is. All right. You shall see a dragon on the screen pretty soon. Whoa! There's a dragon. I'm not sure if the push-ups update. I think it does. Here, let me try it. We're gonna fake a pledge right now. Oh, you saw it? It might have been hard to see. I can't tell. It's really small on my screen, but I'll try it again. Whoop. Well, there it is. I didn't make any sound effects or anything like that, but it works. Yeah. Yeah, just a little fun thing I was doing off stream. We'll probably update it at some point. Very cute. Thank you. All right. Well, let's get to work. We have a lot to do today. So I did release a version on Steam for like the private version, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the. I think if we full screen, so yeah, we're in full screen mode right now. So yeah, I also made an announcement that this is not the full game, version 9.2, 9.2.8. This is the full demo, or the full public demo. We'll test it out a few times. I think it's good though. The competition won't start immediately in case there are bugs found by users. And we can set something more official next Friday. On the final day will be the official competition. And we'll run that. I'm not sure how long we'll run that for, but maybe like 2 weeks or a month. We'll see. I'm not sure what the best time is for that. We can also do races today if people want, although depending on how quick I am to release the demo, maybe we'll want to do it tomorrow or something. But yeah, it's looking good. Also, I wonder if there's too much going on my screen though. That's the other thing. Because now we have a dragon, we have text, we have like little thing on the bottom right. Maybe I should make that smaller too. But yeah, I think the game plays well. I think I tested out most things. I think if there's gonna be a bug or like something inconsistent, it might be with our resource collecting. Oh, there is one bug. I remember now. There's one. It's not really. It's just me displaying something incorrectly. Our the credits. It doesn't show the. It's just like the text looks a little incorrect. There's one other thing I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah. I also added like a end user license agreement. I'm not sure if it works properly. We shall see. If like the user gets notified when there's an end user license agreement, we'll see. But yeah, happy Friday, everybody. I know I haven't been streaming lately. It's been a lot of like administrative stuff, and it's been boring. And I've also been postponing releasing the demo. Also, I did a lot of legal stuff lately, like related to my LLC. It's like something I've never done before. So, but it's all done for the most part. I'm just waiting on some information. I think it's good. But yeah, let's get started. So in the credits, if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna see just how I displayed the total collectibles is right here, and then out of something, and then collected during this run. I think we just want to put a space right here. Good news is that the stuff is done, right? Yeah, it's all done for the most part. Until next Friday, or yeah, until next Friday, I think we'll be chilling for the most part. And then starting like after the demo, I think we're gonna go full send again. Like I feel like I've been taking it a little slow, during this whole thing, just because it's like not in my control. So I've just been like, sort of like feeling it out. I think there are more things I can do, like pushing more events, talking, networking, and stuff like that. But I'm pretty comfortable with how things are turning out. And I don't think I need to stress. So let me just go into chapter 1 really quick. Put ourselves towards the end so we can see what the credits look like. And then we'll move ourselves back, and then I think we can try to release the game. Knowing me, I'll probably have to triple double check and everything, but that's okay. So my key bindings are incorrect as well. All right, let's see. Demo in 2 minutes. Okay, the one thing I don't understand is why you beat the demo in 2 minutes. You died 5 times, 80, 33, collected underscore during this run. I don't know why I rate that. In fact, maybe we should say, like, make a new line and say, maybe we should say something like, if you're in the demo, we only show the total. Wait, let me see. Let me try that again. What does it say there? We should also make a to-do. Also, where's my music? We need bangers while we're working hard. Also, we're gonna treat our push-up counter as a pomodoro, so we gotta speed run. All right. Let me see here. Total collectibles. Oh, I wrote demo collectibles. I didn't even. Am I blind? Did I not even see that? Let me see. Total collectible. Oh, right here. Demo collectibles collected during this run. 13. I don't like that. I don't like the way it's being displayed. Yeah, I mean, this shouldn't be in an underscore, but it still looks weird to me. Total collectibles. Honestly, maybe we just get rid of all demo collectibles. And all we say is, or we get rid of total collectibles and we just say collected during this run. So we say demo collectibles and then collected during this run, and then call it there. I think that's fine. All right, let's do that. Let me get rid of basically this entire section right here. Save manager dot collected collectibles dot size. Total collectibles. Collected collectibles divided by, and then, oh, actually, this whole thing right here. Oh, wait, not even this. We just say that. Oh, nope. Whoops. Collected during this run. Just so that we know. So they can see their collected collectibles total, but then from chapter 1. Demo collectibles. Total demo collectibles collected. Okay, so we'll say total demo collectibles. And then collected during this run. Alright, I think that's good. What's going on here? Are we missing like a... I'm sure we're missing something. Expected a comma. I'm gonna just put it in a random parentheses here. Does that fix it? Nope. Credits dot push front. Boom 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 boom. Dot collected. Dot size. STR. There we go. Yo, how's it going, Neo? Happy Friday. Oh man, it's getting hot. Okay, demo collectibles. Boom, 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 boom. I think we're good. There's one thing I do want to check though. Okay, so we run the game. You start on the first chapter from the main menu. Here, let's look at. We don't have this in our debug, but let's see what it says on our on the credits here. See, it still says collected during this run is 13, which is obviously false. That's the bug here. But let me see one more thing. What if I say chapter 1? If I start from chapter 1, what does it say during this run? Sweating already? Yeah, honestly. So yeah, okay, this is a problem. I don't know why it still says collected during this run. It should start from the beginning. Let me quit the game and see if this fixes anything. Still, yeah, okay. Collected during this run. I think, what the hell? Are we like just doing so? Let me see. During this run is current run current profile dot collected collectibles dot size. I guess we're never resetting this value for some reason. Let me see. When are we even adding this? When are we updating this value? Current run dot collectibles. Current run collected collectibles. I would assume it's plus equals. No? Equals? It's equal to empty. What the hell? It's always an empty array. How the hell are we updating this value? Who wrote this? It says current run collected collectibles dot size. So it's an array. I thought we had a current session collected collectible. Oh, we have a current session and current. Fuck. I thought I fixed this last stream. That doesn't make any sense. Current run. How the hell is this value being updated? Current run. Speed run mode. Oh, dot append. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, we're appending. So I guess should I just hard code it in right now? Every time you run the game, every time you load the game, we just say 0. We just set it to 0. Who wrote this? Solo. Yeah, exactly. You have you guys seen this? Like, there's this meme that's popping up lately where it's like, it's applicable to everything, but it's like there's this guy who's like, "What's that, brother? What's this, brother? Ugh. Like, he's like, it could be anything, but it's like, I remember seeing one where it's like, you've never seen it? It's like, well, the one that I saw, it was like a coder who was like, oh, looking at your code from like 2 months ago, and it's like, what's that, brother? Ooh, like in disgust, like looking at your old code in disgust. How's it going, EXO? Eventless, how's it going? Welcome. What you been up to? Oh, are you doing the playtest today, EXO? Or for those of you who don't know, EXO's working on a really cool puzzle game with very story driven. How's it going, Kruvs? Welcome. Doing a showcase on Sunday. Nice. You know, I was gonna I said on last Thursday that I was gonna go to an event, and I didn't. and I said I was gonna go next week, which was yesterday, but I didn't go either. So yeah, I have no excuse except that I'm releasing a demo today for the public. So yeah, I guess that's my only excuse. I'm a big liar. Yeah, I know. How's it going, Zeke? I want you to make IRL friends practical. I know. I know. I will go after the Kickstarter. I definitely will not go next week cuz that's like really close to the final day of my campaign, but the week after I will totally go. I will 100% possibly go next Thursday. Or sorry, no, the following Thursday. I will try my best. There's no excuse for me to not go in 2 weeks. There's no excuse. I actually have legitimate excuses right now. Oh, I didn't have a real excuse yesterday, but my excuse for yesterday is that I had to release a demo today, and I've been postponing it. Watch it. He blurs out when he's lying. Yeah, true. Has my camera blurred out? If it hasn't blurred out, I'm telling the truth. It's a fact of my stream. We'll poke you to death. All right. Sounds good. Alrighty. Well, thank you. Thank you for the raid. I don't think you have a Steam page yet. But when you do, I'm definitely down to share it. Do you have an itch page yet to showcase it, or just some sort of like landing page for the game? If not, you should get to it. You can share the itch page. Oh yeah, share it for sure. His camera isn't blurry. He has uranium in the back. Yeah, that's what I use for energy. Uranium has a lot of calories. It's pretty good. It's pretty efficient. Pretty practical. Oh, I did see this. I did see this page. I might have even. I feel like I've added it to some sort of collection. I don't know if I created one, but I should. Let me see something. Practical NPCs collection. I don't know what this collection is. We'll see. I'll just add it. See what my collection is. No, this collection is. Oh wait, yeah, I do. Look, I made one. Yeah, this is literally the only game on my collection. Is it on my profile already? Oh yeah, there it is. It matches with my background too. It's like a black hole in space. Copied my HTML for the social media links. Are you talking about this? Nice. I actually wanted to update this. Copied it from the memory page. Oh, nice. I want to update my page here too. I'm trying to. Let me see. Oh, I see. I see. Nice. I'm glad you. I'm glad you like my structure. Tanuki and I learned about it afterwards, and the premise is pretty similar. Reminds me of Vatvi. Imitation is flattery. Yes, indeed. Well, thank you. I'm glad. Okay. So yeah, we have a lot of work to do, and I keep getting distracted. But you did raid, so I guess we have an excuse now. Did I heat up some water? I think I did. Let me just grab that. Mm-hmm. What was I gonna say? Shit, I forgot what I was gonna say. Why does it have to be black? That's so weird. It's a very weird statement in the tier. Mm-hmm. No, hello. I did see your OnlyFans comment. I just you know, got raided. I think that's what happened. But yeah. Let's get started. Okay. Thank you again, EXO. If you have to, relax, kick back and do other things, feel free to do so. We'll be here struggling to we'll be stressing over the final release. I have to go. TY so much though. All right. Thank you. Thank you again. Plead the fifth. How's it going? Welcome. Alrighty. So yeah, I guess on every load game we could just reset the not collected collectibles, but current run collected collectibles. I guess I never reset that. Or let me see. When do we say this? We say this on load game. If the current chapter is less than or equal to 0, we say is equal to an empty array. So why? Because we do this on demos, I see. So, okay. So we just want to throw this here as well. If demo. It doesn't really matter because the demo is always going to be... I guess we could just not do this. I think it should be good now. What's the fifth? Yeah, the right to remain silent. I plead the fifth. Collected. Wait, what? Are we not loading? Wait. Give me 1 second. See, this is why I need to rewrite how we're handling loading the game. There are 2 cases that I have to concern myself with, and it's slightly annoying. But it should be good now. It better be good. Okay, yeah. Collected this run is 0 now. But on loading the game, not only loading the game, but when we... Let me see something. I guess we could do this also on the ready function of World 1. Like, we could have just thrown this into World 1. But I think we need a better approach. Right now it's fine since it's just a demo. And if there are any bugs, we'll just... Again, I'm not doing the speedrunning event today. I'm doing it next Friday, so I think we should be good. Actually, you know what? Let me leave our player there because I'm going to do one more thing. I wonder. I remember we did hard code like 13 into the game, but maybe we fixed that already. Let me see. Equals 13. I hope I did. Body state 13. Yeah, there's no 13. Okay, we're good. We're fine. But yeah, on our, let me see, because we do 2 things on load game, and then we also do, let me go into our main scene here, or sorry, our title screen. Don't implicate me in any hard coding. It was probably you, yeah. I remember you were like telling me to do all this shenanigans. Um, it says Boston Massacre. Never knew that that happened. Just oh, I see. But yeah, pleading the fifth is when you say pleading the fifth is like a. I don't think it's a common phrase. I mean, like technically, I guess if you're constantly being, I don't know, I guess arrested or something. I don't know. All right, let's save select. Save select. Ugh. Ads. So we say select profile and we say load game here. Save manager. If not valid, profile pop up. Else we load. Otherwise, select profile, select node. If we're loading game, low-key just want to throw it into. Here, let me see this again. Low-key just want to throw it into world 1 because that's the only time that our current run would reload anyway. Like current run data would restart. So it doesn't really matter. We would just check what world we load into, and current run just resets from there. Although, sometimes it really depends because I do plan on adding some content to the game that could mess with this information. For instance, like let's say you're speedrunning the game and you want a 100% run. Maybe you want to load back into a previous run or into a previous chapter, for instance, chapter 1, to unlock something. And then go back to another. Like there could be many reasons why we load back, and that could mess with our speedrunning data. But for now, it's not. It's a non-issue. So let's figure out why the hell. Maybe it does work. I'm concerned as to why it didn't, because we are saying load game, and it says select current profile node. Let me see. What happens if we press the start button? If we press the start button, it says current profile node, and then yeah, we're loading the game no matter what. And so this if current profile current chapter is less than or equal to 1, we say wait a minute. Who are you? Wait, let me see something. What did I say here? Yeah, okay, yeah, I did mess up. It's only supposed to be this. I think I threw this in. Wait. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this was supposed to be on its own. We're gonna fix all of this later. Just for now, I want to leave it. It didn't seem, for some reason, it did not seem like our collectibles got reset when we just loaded the game directly. It's not. It's like load game does not work. I don't know. Let's test this out. I'm going to collect a collectible over here. Oh my god. Um. Boom, 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 boom. What do I want to do here? Honestly, let's just throw it into chapter 1. So yeah, we could just match what the room here is, and just say if it's chapter 1, which it always will be in the demo. Literally, we could just say if get name, just so we can move on here. Is chapter 1. Current run collected collectibles is equal to an empty array. And I think we should be good. So we can export this. Here, let me put our player on the first room here. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this current private Steam version. Okay. Boom, boom. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Why is that happening? Let me see. Are you porting to 4 right now? How'd you know? What did I do? What did I do? Wait. Do 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 do. I literally have no idea what I did to break this just now. Let me see. Let me try again. It's a fluke. Push up. Oh yeah, we can do that. For every 5 minutes? Yeah, we can say that. But no, it doesn't. At least not now. There's no penalty currently. But I don't mind adding a penalty. I just haven't implemented it yet. How much? That was 20. What I need is an alarm to tell me when it goes off, because I don't even notice. But yeah, the penalty would be more push-ups. Okay. We've exported another version. Dude, I don't think I touched the game yesterday. And yet or I did touch it yesterday and it worked. And now on stream when it's a pivoting moment, the most important point in my life, releasing a public demo, it crashes. What the hell? Who allowed this to happen? Let's see. I mean, I guess I could look at my commits too, because I did export something yesterday and it seemed to be fine. Let me see. Oh. No, I don't think this mattered. Save manager and credits. What did I do yesterday? The thing is it's crashing on the, or it's not it's like, usually this happens if something can't be loaded properly. Did you have any major bug in Godot during development? Basically, how solid is the engine? It has some bugs for sure. Go around asking Godot devs on Twitch, and you'll see. But nothing that can't be overcome from what I've seen. Yeah, I haven't had any issues with, like, major bugs that altered my development significantly. There is one issue I had with the physics in Godot, um, that is still like an open issue at the moment. Although there are like approaches that can fix it. And it has to do with like kinematic bodies. Like if you're colliding several kinematic bodies together and you want to sync it up perfectly where like there is no margin of error with like one collision box on top of another. I think there are some solutions in Godot 4 that may like solve that issue, but when you're trying to make a pixel art game, it didn't work how I wanted. But this was a long time ago when I was trying to solve this problem. It's not an issue I've had to deal with recently, but that's the only thing I can think of that was like a major issue I had with Godot with like pixel perfection movement. But there are like approaches that would help, fix it. It would be kind of hacked, at least in the version that I was using at the time. But I think there are some decent approaches to it. Wouldn't that also depend on the version of Godot? Yeah. But I've seen it. I think it's still. I think I saw it was still an issue in Godot 4 as well. I guess it's not really an issue. It's just that the most direct approach is not. If you're making like a pixel perfect precision platformer, that's when I think it'll be an issue, which is what I'm making. I'm trying to think I'm looking at this log and there's nothing that would make me think that this is broken, but I can't. Is there maybe something I wrote in my players? Let me see something. In Twilight area, let me see. We're not using the Twilight at the moment, so. Oh, there's literally an X in my script. No shit, it wouldn't work. How do you solve? Sounds like a nightmare to resolve when B affects C affects A. Yeah, I can try to find the issue. Let me see. I think there is a solution for it now. It doesn't seem bad if you roll your own movements and such. Yeah, there definitely is. Like ideally you would. I don't know if ideally, but like. For me, I would obviously want to use the Godot's physics to handle everything. But yeah, I mean, if you want to create your own approach to it, I think that's fine too. It's part of the reason I did remove moving platforms from the game. I don't mind revisiting that mechanic or that feature in the future. But yeah, there's no moving platforms in my game. I do have it in the game, like as a feature. It's just not designed into any of the levels. It is something that I would possibly revisit, though. How do you solve a system where each piece recursively affects itself? Yeah, yeah, that's a part of the problem, with those moving platforms. I think there are some better approaches to it. Like, I don't really know too much because isn't Godot supporting what's that physics? I really know nothing about it, but what's that physics system? Like, I really have no idea. Godot, it's something with a J. Let's see. I know I'm not making any sense by saying that, but I feel like, there's a streamer with a name, so I know it's like possibly a thing. If I can find their name by just scrolling through. Jolt, yeah, Jolt. So I know, isn't there like some sort of Jolt support in Godot, or like they're trying to work with that? And I feel like maybe that would be the better approach to handle that type of physics, but I really have no idea. Like classics running on shitty hardware. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I've never had, again, that's the only issue I've had in Godot, and even like I did create an alternative approach to it, but I would probably want to create an entire system around, if I was trying to make, you know, like a momentum based game that involved it, I would probably want to rewrite my entire like how I'm handling those collisions within Godot. Maybe sometime in the future we'll consider it. Yeah, it was Jolt. But yeah, I know nothing about it, to be honest. All right, let's see how our exported version works now. We should be good now. Yeah, that was so weird for me. I was like, what the hell's going on, bro? All right, so we started from scratch. Let me do this. We're gonna speedrun a couple of times. I think this is the final version. Hopefully there are gonna be no bugs whatsoever. In fact, wait, before we do this, let's delete our profiles. We're gonna start completely from scratch. Let's delete our profile here. Let's go into our profile node. Let's delete our global profile. Let's go into our config files. Let's delete everything there. And let's start the game. Let's close Godot because it's not necessary anymore. And let's run the game. Mm-hmm. Okay. I just need one collectible to make sure, you know, we'll find a better collectible to get. Yeah, I'll turn on debug mode here. I want some sounds while we're playing. Oh, oh shit. Can we not? We cannot click on the save button. That's not good. Honestly, I might release the game in its current state and then fix that afterwards, because... Alright, we'll see, we'll see. Why is it still so loud? The environment sounds are kind of loud. Seems the positive has outweighed the negatives. Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on the type of game you're making. I would say, yeah, I mean, again, yeah, for a solo dev, for sure. Just considering the fact that, like, I don't know, my personal opinion, in my humble opinion, if you're a solo dev, your scope is not even going to be that large anyway. So most of the things that may not be possible in Godot are not even of your concern. Unless you want to overscope and then, work on a project for a really long time and then, eventually give up on the project and blame the fact that the engine's not good enough for your ambitious needs, which, it's all, again, this in my humble opinion. All right. Oh, dude. I feel like I forgot how to play. Indie devs never, no. I don't think I've heard of a single solo dev who has abandoned the project. All right, I hope we collected one. We collected at least one, right? Yeah, we did. We did. One out of 33. Okay. So we go into our game right now. We'll see. I mean, we should see. Collected this run. Okay, 1 out of 1. Technically, okay. I would need to start the game, and we can see we still have 1 out of 1. Shit. I should have collected like 3, at least 3. But let's do a run with 0, just to make sure. Well, this one will be a speed run. Oh, I think you guys saw that we have both 100% runs and any percent runs in the leaderboard now too. I've preserved the leaderboards from older versions of the game, but if you play this version, it's a completely different leaderboard. So yeah, this leaderboard or this version of the game doesn't even have access to the old leaderboards. So they're still available, but they're just not going to be. Probably going forward, they won't be in the game anymore. We'll create some sort of like Hall of Fame to save data. And I think at some point I would want to make a custom, like my own server for storing the data, just because at the moment, unless I communicate with Silent Wolf that like, hey, could we like get more permanent storage? I think I'd want to, yeah, host something ourselves. That way we like have guaranteed, or more guaranteed, like, sustainable. Not sustainable, like just longer longevity, more longevity in our leaderboards. I mean, everything on speedrun.com will also be preserved pretty much virtually forever, but yeah. I think having 2 leaderboards is not a bad idea. Oh my god. All right, so it should say we have one collectible, but 0 during this run. Awesome. I think we're good. If I trust my my approach to everything, I think we have 0 bugs in this game. Like 0, like the game is perfect. We can ship it like this, and everyone would be happy. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Is there anything I want to do before we release this? Like I'm trying to think. Is there any? Let me open up the game one more time. Add a new chapter. I think if we hit, I mean, my next goal is a new chapter. Just a 3 or 4 hours endeavor. Yeah, true. I think you know what we could do. We can work on some sort of procedural generation system, like a quick procedural generation, um, like system, like with tile maps and like a bunch of noise data and yeah. What we could do just to test it out first is we make like an RTS type like tower defense game, generate some sort of map based on like altitude levels, temperature, rainfall, all those kinds of things. It would be really quick, I think. And then from there, we'd figure out the most ideal approach to procedural generation for our platformer. Yeah, it would be pretty quick. Yeah. How's it going? How's it going, IRAD? For those of you who don't know, IRAD is working on a heavily procedurally generated tower defense game. But it actually isn't a tower defense game. It's just a demo of procedural generation of like maps and terrain and stuff. It's really cool. It's actually very cool to see. Why do I feel attacked? You're not being attacked. Add an Easter egg where you die 1,000 times. Yeah, that's a good idea. I want to add a bunch of Easter eggs. I want to add a lot of secrets. That is something I'm really looking forward to, actually. I wonder if I should even do that on stream, because I feel like you guys know all the secrets. You guys know everything that I've designed. And I think there's going to be a point where I need to, I still want to stream 100%, but like maybe a lot of the secrets that I do going forward, I'm going to. Actually, you said you put a few off stream. I did do a little bit off stream. But not. I don't think I did too much. Like you guys have probably seen it. You guys have probably seen everything so far. Oh yeah, I did do a lot. I have been doing a lot of legal and like administrative stuff off stream. Well, the thing I said too. What's the thing you said too, Eventless? What is the thing you said? Isn't legal stuff? Yeah, it is. Legal stuff, paperwork. I guess it's not much paperwork because it's all digital nowadays. But yeah. These viewers only gonna be a small percentage of your players. Doesn't matter. These viewers, I would say, even if it's a small percentage of the people who play my game, it's also a huge part. Like, I don't know. It's like even if it's a small percentage, it's a significant part because it's like directly a part of my community. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, I do want to be appealing to, the random person who finds my game on Steam, but I would say I prioritize people who, give me feedback and are part of like, my Discord and stuff or my streams. Or like, I'm more inclined to listen to someone who's, been around for a long time. So yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm releasing the game. I'm releasing a demo. Yeah, not the full game, but the demo. But yeah, I mean, when it comes to Easter eggs and like, I'm sure I will hide a bunch of things. Yeah, especially Easter eggs. Yeah, for sure, Easter eggs. I'll hide from you guys. Unless I get excited. We'll see. We'll see. No promises yet. Okay. Um, is there anything else we want to do before we release the game? I think everything is good. Let me see something. Oh yeah, memories on Steam, and the demo will be on that page. So yeah, the demo will be on that page. And we're also running a speedrunning competition if you're interested in that K-Bups. But that's gonna be next week. Okay. Let me see something. There are like a bunch of minor things that I can update. I'm not too concerned with it though. Another thing we'll do? We will wait for this timer to go down, and then officially, I'm gonna set that time. Once that timer hits 30 again, I'm gonna have 30 minutes to set everything in stone. Whatever bullshit I can create in my mind to worry myself about, I'll fix, and then we're gonna have no choice but to release. Clip that, and if I don't, I'll eat my shoe. No, that's a lie. The character doing push-ups if idle plus oh, that'd be funny. The character doing push-ups. Or is it the best bespoke content? It's the first chapter. Real game / full game. It's real content in the game. I will say it's in my opinion, it's technically the worst content in the game. In terms of like, cause like literally the only thing that you get to experience in this part of the game is the full capabilities of the player and springs. I mean it's good, but there's more to experience in the entire game. Much more. But it's the intro. It's like, have you ever played Celeste? It's like it's the first chapter of Celeste. It would be cool to add more, and maybe we'll do that in the next demo. But yeah, right now it's just the first. The issue with like introducing more mechanics into the demo is that it requires, in terms of level design, it requires the player to understand the previous elements of the game. So it's hard to like, grab sections of chapter 1, sections of chapter 2, 3, and so on, and then plug it in all together because there's just too much information for the player. So it's literally just a slice of, the first slice of the game. If for backers, we'll see if we can create some sort of public playtest at some point. But yeah, right now all of the playtesting is done by, or playtesting has been done by people in this community, and eventually there's going to be a playtest for backers. Make a quick training room with all the power-ups to showcase the demo. Sounds like a really crap. Sounds like it really, but addresses your concern. What do you mean? We could make a better like showcase of like the demo, but I don't know. You see it in the game. You already, like, if you've seen the gameplay, you know that there's more to the game. And this is just the first chapter. What I might do, though, is for the finale, what we might do towards the end here, maybe I'll even do that for the public demo after I update it, is introduce Chapter 5 mechanics, because I really do like the Chapter 5 mechanics. Actually, no, I'm not going to do it. I lied. Chapter 5 mechanics they're not perfect, in my opinion, yet. We'll see. We'll see. I could do a full demo from Chapter 1 to 3, but not include the boss escape sequence in Chapter 3. That's another option for the demo. But yeah, that's going to be a little further down the line. Also, I am trying to reach out to publishers. So maybe they also have a good idea on the approach there. How it went with the first one that you reached out instead? I couldn't follow up. So one of the first one that I reached out to, they actually asked for a demo, and I've been like postponing it. How much? It really depends. To be honest, I'm not crazy about publishers. It's not like my. It would have to be a good it'd have to be a good deal. I haven't spoken any numbers with publishers yet. If they're gonna be, honestly, it's more like, as much as it would be cool to work with a publisher, I'm the one, interviewing them. It's like I'm giving them the opportunity, I guess. Unless it's like a really big publisher, but that's very ambitious to think, or naive to think that it might happen. But I mean, you never know. I will be applying, to like, for instance, I will be applying to like Devolver, Big Mode, like, all the cool indie publishers, but I don't have high hopes. What I've been doing lately is reaching out to like lower tier publishers to see how they feel about it, like what feedback I can get from them, and then from there I'll reach out to the bigger, the bigger dogs. Or maybe I wouldn't mind also working with the smaller guys if they're cool. But yeah, so far there's no way of knowing. Don't get too excited about just the idea of being with a yeah, exactly. I'm not. In fact, I'm more on the fence about it. Like, it has to be a good relationship. Otherwise, yeah, there's no point. I think, to be honest, I think I can do a better job, I think, than at least the smaller publishers, just publishing on my own. If they're also taking, like, considering the cut that they might take, and I just, use that revenue, like the potential loss in revenue, to just invest into what I think would be appropriate for a marketing campaign, I think I can probably do a better job. And for me, the only thing right now that I think is very attractive is attaching a name like Big Mode, or I feel like the only thing that is prestigious about a publisher is the name. And I mean, the service is nice, but if you haven't made a name for yourself, like, then how good are you really at publishing? So that's a question you'd have to ask yourself. Because a lot of the publishers that I see, like, I look up their social media platform, and it's like dead. So it's like, what the hell are you guys doing? So Yeah. Okay. Let me see something. Um. Hello, hello. How's it going, Juho? How's it going? How's it going? We're about to potential. Oh wait, what time is it? Oh, we've done. We're ready for the push-ups. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll figure out our to-do. You know, let me write my to-do first, and then we shall get to it. Great song, yeah. What is this? Moon, half moon. You got 200 push-up. Godspeed. Thank you. Honestly, it's not too bad. We've done 365 so far, so. Separate leaderboards based on versions. Technically, we kind of did this. Prioritize displaying leaderboards based on most recent. We didn't do this. Level design stream, email publishers back, and release private demo. I did do this technically, but all right. Oh, what the hell is this? All right. Today's day 3/8/23, 24. Ooh. Took 3 days off to recover. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. The recovery on the first, like, I thought I was gonna feel way more pain. Is there anything there? I feel like there's actually nothing. We just have to release to Steam. Let's do it. Yo, how's it going, Kent? Challenge. Yeah, it's not one sitting. It's so the timer that you see, I just attempt le challenge. Yes. So what I do is just every time the timer goes down, I do the push-ups. And I should get a punishment on the countdown, because we so far I've always gone into the negatives before I start. Or I just need an alarm to tell me. But yeah. I think I'll set an alarm next time I update the overlay. I did update the little. You see, we have a dragon now. I think that's pretty cool. The dragon consumes here. If I fake it might be hard to see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little. Oh, there's no sound too. I think I muted the sound while I was testing it, and then I never introduced the sound again. Oh, there it is. Oh, the sound only plays when it's an actual pledge. But yeah, you can see the little coin that drops down. Or convert the push-ups to curls. We could do that. Or for every minute passed, I have to eat my shoe. All right, I'll be right back. Let's start. Like +1. Yeah, I think that's the easiest. That's the most fair. It's gonna be a lot of shoes. I'll do it. There we go. Average push-ups per stream, I would say like 100. Oh, I lied. It's like more like 50. No, I'm kidding. What the hell? Do you feel any muscle growth? No. I mean, I feel like, like a pump, but that's not really muscle growth. There's like a hair in my water. Robotech, how's it going? If they're getting easier, to be honest, it feels the same because I've been pacing myself. Like I think when I first started, I was doing 30. I started out with 30 and then I kept doing it until failure, and I think the better approach is just to pace myself so that I can keep doing it. So usually I do 20 every time. Going well, you? Pretty good. We're trying to release our demo here. I think we're ready. Can we buy the demo? Of course. I think it's obvious that you have to buy the demo. Hopefully it's cheaper than other devs' demo who shall remain nameless. All right. I think we're good though. Yeah, I agree. All right. I'm so paranoid that the game is gonna be whack, or not whack. Like there's gonna be a bug. So we're gonna run the game one more time, just to be sure, and then we shall potentially release it. Oh, this is Godot 4. Run on a different machine. Uh-oh. It crashed. See? Oh, I think it was because... Is it because we're running it here? I'm not sure. Let me see. me see. Oh, dude, what happened to my webcam? Oh, shit. There we go. Can't count how many times something is broke on your machine. Oh, what the hell? What's going on here? There we go. Oh, I see. That's why it crashed. We've had several releases in the past where this was never an issue. Like, I've never had. I won't say never, but usually it works fine on other machines and even like on Linux. If you're playing the game through like Proton, the Steam, window game thing. So yeah, most times I haven't had too many issues, or at least lately, no one's mentioning issues with the game. But yeah, I guess we'll find out. I will be releasing this first on a private version on Steam. So actually, let's do that now. I think we're good. I think we're ready. Give me 1 second while I set up Steam. I'll have to log in and stuff. How's it going, Nameless Coder? Nameless Coder. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. How's everyone doing this Friday? I hope everyone's having a great Friday. I know I am. It's a pretty good day. I'm like low-key stressed just because I don't even know why I'm stressed. We've done this plenty of times before. I think it's just because there's a demo and there's like this public appearance that I'm sort of making with this. That I think it's slightly more stressful, but that's okay. Working late. We'll have to work. We'll have to work weekend. Was not. Oh, damn! I'm sorry to hear that, Bon. But at least having a stream in the background makes it a little. I'm glad. I will probably be streaming these over this weekend. So, if you ever need company while you're working, I'll be here sometimes. Okay. This is the second stream of yours I've caught. It's been really nice. Oh, I'm glad. That's awesome. I usually stream a lot more often too. So yeah, hopefully you can catch me more whenever you're on. I think after this Kickstarter, we'll have so much more time to do. I miss the development. I feel like I haven't been doing actual development on stream. New mechanics, level design, especially level design. I want to do more level design streams now. I think it'll be fun to do. Also, this green screen thing is it's annoying me. I gotta figure out what the hell is going on there. Maybe I gotta get a better camera. Or I gotta get like white lights in my. I don't know. Also, thank you for the bits. All right. Let me log in. Boom, 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 boom. I released. I actually did a public. Not a public. I tried releasing my game on Steam. Like as a depot, and it worked. Everything worked. But you do have to make sure when you are releasing the game that the file is exactly the same as what it says in the like in the SDK. Otherwise it like breaks everything. Wait a sec. Wait a minute. Who are you? Let me see something. Who am I? Who are you? I am you. You guys ever seen a Rush Hour? Okay. Loved it as a kid. Yeah, I miss it. I actually wanna rewatch Rush Hour. There's this other movie that I used to watch. I feel like I've seen a lot of like Jackie Chan films, but another one I feel like that's really up there for me was uh I think I rewatched it recently, like within the last 4 years. It wasn't as good, but it was still very nostalgic, and it was this film called Around the World in 80 Days. I think it was the name. I think it's a book, but also there was a film. Is it Around the World in 80 Days? With let me see. Yeah, yeah, with Jackie Chan and what's his name? Owen Wilson. It's another of the same kind, Rat Race. Let me see. It doesn't sound familiar, but maybe I've seen it. Rat Race. Rat Race movie. I haven't seen it. This does not look familiar, but All right, let me just figure out this demo thing. I wonder why it says I have a demo released, even though I do not. Very strange. Shanghai Noon, John Wayne. That's a terrible name. Dude, I always forget how to actually add stuff to my depot. Um, where the hell do I do this? I see it for the demo, but I don't see it for my game. Oh, I think it's here. I found it. Okay. I don't remember if it's Afterlife content or Memory Depot that I have to upload it to, so I'm just gonna upload it to both, and I think it'll be fine. So let me zip this file real quick. Okay. All right, it's uploading. In the meantime, here I'll leave that to the side. Here, we can update the overlay in the meantime. To punish me. Punish. Let's see. Okay, so this is our current overlay. So when the countdown hits 0, we'll just say current push-ups plus equals 1. Do I just like globally? Yo, Alex, how's it going? I think I did see that you were streaming. How's it going? I didn't stop and say hi, but I hope it went well. One viewer, woohoo, woohoo, yahoo! What's up? It went well. Hell yeah! What are you working on? I like this. I like the stream to focus. Yeah, I like that too. It doesn't happen, but I like it. I'm in a jam. Oh yeah, I saw the name EO jam or something like that. I'm probably. Yeah. It's a popular Spanish. I see. I think you mentioned them. But yeah, I hope it's going well. How long does it last for? Dude, I want to do a game jam so bad. Elo jam, all chess games. Next Sunday it ends. Nice. Hell yeah. All right. Well, good luck. Are you gonna? So I assume you're gonna be streaming more. Did I shout you out? I did. Okay. Quite delayed, but well, I may. Nice. It's not really important, but if you ever want to share that you're streaming on Practical Media, I think you're on Practical Media. You can also go into what I was thinking of doing was actually creating a role for people who want to share this, and so that like we can like notify each other of like streamers too. I think it would be a cool idea. What you making? Right now it's only Codespace who uses it. I think some people All right. Honestly, the demo is probably uploaded, so we could probably skip this for now. Let me see. Building depot done. Building depot done. All right. Commit. Private test. Oh. There was an error for creating the commit. Weird. But I think it's fine. Let me see. All right, so we go into publish. Prepare for publishing. All right, we should be good. How would I know this version is any different? I think there's no way for me to know. Actually, no, there is a way for me to know. And how we're gonna know is because I think the old version that I made on my Steam account. Here, let's go into Steam real quick. On memory, let's go into properties here. And let's just delete everything. And then I think it should be good. My changes are now live on memory. So let's go into Steam. Let's go into manage properties, and we're just going to verify integrity. Anyways, I'm going to sleep. All right, Alex. Peace. Have a good one. I'll see you when I see you. Thank you again for the raid. It's getting chilly. Dude, it's already dark out. That's crazy. Dude, I've been waking up super late. It's already 7. It's already 7 p.m. All right, I think we should be good. Here, let me go into properties. Let me look at browse. Yeah, we should be good. Memory. Play. Where's the music? The music should our file still shows old save data, so we should be good. Oh, our leaderboard is probably this is bad. Well, we'll reset, but we can reset this in the editor. That's fine. So any percent. All right, I think we're good. I'm ready. I'm ready to release. There's no better time to do it than now. Let's do it. Demo is coming out. Let me pee, and then we'll start. Let me close this for now. Don't save. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we need to use. We need to do. Boom. No better time to pee than now. True. I'm gonna pee right now. In the meantime, yeah, I never show my Kickstarter. I feel like I should promote it some more. I'll show you guys the trailer for anyone who hasn't seen the game yet. Um, oh my god, 8 days left. That's kind of scary. Feels like it was only yesterday that the Kickstarter even started. All right, I'll be right back. Right on time. Nice. The trick to quickly peeing is to like just do it as you go to the bathroom. Yeah, just to save time. So yeah, I think everything is good. Leaderboard, quit. Oh, I've got the nerves. Efficiency P. How's it going, Finding Focus? I was lurking on your streams a little bit. I think maybe yesterday or the day before. I hope your game. I saw you've made some updates. I know you fixed the. I feel like you fixed the diagonal movement bug that you had a while back. If I'm not mistaken, I haven't seen too much of it though. All right. Oh, that's an actual pledge. Look, the dragon's consuming the coin that just fell. Thank you, kind stranger, whoever you are. Oh, speaking of, when it comes to adding people to the credits, someone informed me that I have to do. I'll be doing that after. Like, I have added some people to like the Discord role, for instance. But that's because I sort of know who they are, if that makes sense. Whereas like there might be some people I don't know of, and so yeah, I think we're gonna save the like adding people to the credits and to the Discord roles, you know, when everything gets finalized or once the campaign finishes. But yeah. So you might notice that your name's not on the Discord, for instance, even though you backed the project. I'll be adding more people on the final day or after the final day. We need more silly emojis of me. What kind of emojis do you want? Silly Willy emojis. All right. I think everything is good. Let's stop postponing the inevitable. Let me go into Steam here. I'm gonna hide my screen again. Just so I don't dox myself more than I already have. Additionally, with this demo, I do want to add a EULA. And I forgot how I removed the demo from even being displayed on the page, because I didn't hear what you said. Where's the backer's name should be? The backers, okay, the backers will be like everyone's name will be officially added after the Kickstarter, after the Kickstarter is complete. Oh, thank you for the 60, whoever you are, whoever's out there. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. That just means more push-ups for me to do, and we just hit our timer. So here, let's do that first. Actually, I think that's the most important thing, for us to do. See, that timer is not gonna go. It's not gonna go below 5 ever again, or yeah, below 5. I don't want to ruin my sweater, my nice sweater. More passion. More passion. More passion. More footwork. More energy. All right. Dude, I forgot what I did to remove the demo, and now I don't know how to bring it back. Gandalf. We must go back. General installation. Let me see. What about 5 minutes you missed? You do decline push-ups instead. I usually do decline push-ups actually, like on my bed, or like I put my feet on my bed. Countdown wasn't oh yeah, my bad. I usually do count, but I feel like it's a weird position to be in to stream. That's the only thing. It's a me thing though. Put your feet on the cam. There it is. That's better. I think that's what it is. If I'm gonna be doing decline push-ups, I'd have to take off like my socks and show the cake. Dude, I do not remember how I managed removing the demo from the game. Cause like you can upload a demo but keep it private. Let me see the Steam page. Switch to just chatting and do push-ups. Brother, please, where is my demo? How do I allow it to be visible on this? I think it's the store settings, if I'm not mistaken. Store admin. Nope. Release options. It's weird because it says my demo is released, but oh, here we go. Warning: this release demo does not appear on the Steam page. Reason: demo is currently deactivated. See below to reactivate. Here we go. See below. Where am I seeing below? Override state. There's an override state. Currently deactivated and overrides the release states and prevents discoverability and playability of this demo. The demo can be reactivated at any time by using the button found later on this page. The button. Oh, reactivate demo. Okay, here we go. All right, so before we activate the demo, I think we can first update the demo, make sure it works, and then we shall release. So you get views, do push-ups, switch to just chatting. I would not want to. I don't think I would want to attract that type of crowd onto my stream, to be honest. I think it, yeah, I think it's better. I think it's better the way we have it. All right, I'm updating the memory demo. Officially, unofficially, we are adding a new memory zip. Here we go. And upload. Wait, you're releasing the demo today? I am indeed eventless. It is the release today. The official speedrunning competition is starting next Friday. I want to make sure, we've had a lot of people playtest the game, and I don't think there are going to be any bugs, but if there are, I want to update them, Official demo release for Kickstarter. Yeah, so we're gonna release the game today, release the demo today, and then starting tomorrow we shall play, we'll react to any bugs, if any, and then starting next Friday is the official competition, which I will be posting on Twitter and stuff, and on Discord pretty soon. Official demo releases for Kickstarter, preview change. Setting Kickstarter live. Why does it say it's 1 point? Strange. Confirm this is the live build. Oh, interesting. That's kind of cool. There's like Steam verification, mobile verification. If any bugs, I'm low key pretty confident that there won't be. If there's a bug, it's a bug I'm already aware of. I don't think there's gonna be anything that's like super major. Like no major bugs. There might be a small like little thing maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We've had a lot of playtests though, so yeah, I am confident. But I mean, if it ends up having bugs, whatever, it is what it is. Have at least one hotfix as. Yeah, we'll probably still make some updates. I'm trying to think. The only bug that we might experience, if any, is with the leaderboards, like some sort of leaderboard bugs. Isn't the save bug you mentioned earlier important? The save bug. What save bug? Are you talking about the collectibles and stuff? Dude, why are the songs that we've been listening to like super slow and like not a banger at all? Like it's all been super chill, which is fine, but it's Friday. We're supposed to be headbanging. Here we go. God Race. I couldn't save it. Couldn't save it. Whatever it is, it's fixed now. It's 100%. Whatever it was, it's 100% fixed. Not a problem, and will never be a problem ever again in the entire development of Memory. All right, I think it's good. Give me 1 second. Yeah, one thing I do want to fix by the end of Friday is I want to add my own splash screen to the game. We don't have our own splash screen, which is kind of whack. You know? Do. Use my face. Oh, that'd be pretty funny, actually. It's like my face and it's like, you know who has a pretty decent splash screen? I think Grumble has a pretty cool one. It's like pixel art Godot symbol and it like chomps. It's like it opens his mouth and then it goes boom. It'd be funny if like I turned to my face. Like it would be cursed. It would look disgusting, but it would be funny. It'd be like practical media right there with my face on it. I think it's perfect. Yeah. All right. I think we should be good. We should be pretty good. All I have to do is publish it. I wonder if it stays deactivated until so I set it live. I didn't publish it yet. Let me publish it and see what happens. Prepare for publishing. Steamwalks. Publish. All right. Let's see what happens with my demo here. Moment of truth. Boom, boom, boom. Verify integrity. Starting download. Ooh. The moment we've all been waiting for. It's stuck on 0% so far. It's not looking good so far, but it says update paused. Why? What the hell? All right, now it's validating. Okay. Of getting teleported to a meme room. The meme rooms include portal rooms, a Mori room, Celeste room, practical room, just an image of your face rotating, silly room. Can be anything including ducks. Maybe. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. We did something terribly wrong. Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. I wonder. So for the demo, for the application of the demo, I capitalize um, the word, the M in memory, but for the demo, I don't. And so it doesn't work. I think we can change that. Oh, I call it memory demo. Um, Maybe I should actually rename executable. Maybe I should rename the file that I sent over because it is a demo. It's not. It's not the full game. I don't want people to think it's the full game. All right. Let me quickly fix that. That should be a quick fix. Let's go into here. Yeah, I can show you guys this. This is fine. Boom, boom. Do I have to re-export it? I think we could just rename these files. It's not a big deal. Or, you know what? Fuck it. I don't care. I'm just going to call it memory. It's not a big deal. Just call it here. Oh, actually, no. We could leave it as memory demo. Let's edit this and just say memory. Capital M. Memory. Update. Memory.exe. Publish. Prepare for publishing. Okay. Now let's go back into Steam. I go into properties here. Verify integrity. And we are good, I think. Play the game. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me see. Full screen. Oh, look at that. This is not the full game, by the way. Leaderboard is shit. But everything else is perfect. Yo, Captain Coder, how's it going? So that was where I was. That's what I was referencing. Hope you've been well. Yeah, I've been well. I haven't been streaming last few days, but yeah, I've been well. And in fact, things are pretty good, I would say. They have been a little stressful. With all of the legal and administrative sides of the Kickstarter and like just things I need to do, for instance, for like my LLC, but it's been good. It's also like a new experience for me. It's like a different side of game development that I think a lot of people are not used to. I definitely wasn't used to it. Starting my first LLC was really stressful. Fortunately for me, the starting of the LLC wasn't that bad. It's just the maintenance and like things related to releasing, like doing the Kickstarter, setting like some information, especially with the Kickstarter funds. That's gonna go into the LLC. It's like I'm just paranoid something's gonna happen, where there's gonna be just a bunch of legal stuff I have to do. So I'm like trying to make sure it's all perfect. But I think we're good. Yeah. I'm also trying to get a DBA for Practical NPC. Because right now Practical NPC is like my, it's not really. It's not a part of Practical NPC is not a part of my LLC, and I kind of want to put the two together. Yeah. So it's been pretty interesting. Some of the legal stuff I had to do recently too. All right, I think the demo's good. I wonder if it's just like live for you guys. It might be because I updated it, but we'll see right now. Let's go into our dashboard. Where was that again? Dude, I keep forgetting if it's we have to go into the admin side of things or the store ad. Here, let's go into memory demo real quick. And nope, it's not that one. Is it this one? It's not this one. Is it this one? Oh wait, yeah. What the hell? All applications maybe. Maybe I just have to click on this. Here, let me close everything. There we go. Pre-release. All associated packages and demos. No. Memory demo. No, this is for. Wait, let me just. No, this is beta. Here we go. Demo deactivated. Okay, so it's still deactivated. All right, so this button, is everything good? I think the volume is all right. Did someone say it was? Always a pleasure. Thank you, Captain. How's your? I believe you're on vacation right now, right? From like. I'm scared to press this button. Also, actually, there's one other thing I wanted to do. I made an end user license agreement, but I'm not sure if I did it for the demo or if it matters like where you put it. So let me just see that real quick, and then I think we're good. It's not here. Dude, it's very confusing that I wrote memory demo for the beta and also the demo. EULA. Oh, I never created one. Oh, I created one for the here, let's just duplicate what we have for this one. Oh, actually, is it? Bro, I swear I had a EULA. Where is it? It's gone. What the hell? Maybe I put it on this one? Maybe I never saved it? Oh, I put it on the demo, not on the not on the main one here. So here, let me copy this. Throw it into the main. No one has access to the main game, but I'm gonna throw it in anyway. I'll have to remember to triple check this one. EULA. Yeah, honestly, EULA, like, it's not even that important. It's more so like, I don't know. I guess just to have it. I've been like super like because I've been doing so much legal stuff and administrative stuff. I thought, like, why not just full send it with everything. So we have that one. Let me close everything again. So let me just double check it's here. And then here. And I wonder if it notifies me right away. Oh, wait. English. Why is this here? Not sure. Okay, so it's been published. Show details. Do I have to publish the page again, or is it like if I play the game, for instance, like right now, will it just notify me of the EULA? Let's see. It does not. Let me see something. Hmm. I don't get. Maybe it's because I'm the administrator of this game. Maybe I should like log out and make sure, like sign into a different account that isn't uh, practical NPC. Here, let me see. Does it happen on the demo? No, it doesn't happen on the demo either. Um, I wonder if there is like. Let me see. Discussion support. Oh, look at that. Requires third party EULA. That's kind of cool. Demo drop soon. Yeah, like literally maybe like in 5 minutes. I said that 35 minutes ago or 55 minutes ago, but maybe in 5 minutes. So it says requires agreement to third party EULA. I wonder if it's applicable also to the demo. Once it releases. Um, um, I mean, I did add it, so it seems like it would make sense that it gets applied to both. Yeah, let me see. I've added it to the demo. Here, let me just make sure if I publish. If we go here, we publish the game. Really publish. And then yeah, nothing happens. That's interesting. What's this? Here, let me sign out and go to a different account and see if something changes. Oop, let me cancel. I meant to. Oh fuck! I already. I've been waiting for the new Fortnite season. Nice. Boom, 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 boom. Can I change accounts? Yes, I can. All right, I believe I have an alt Steam account. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It lets you seamlessly log in. Like you can easily switch between accounts. That's kind of nice. I don't remember my password though. My email. Enter code from your email address at. What the hell? How am I supposed to know which email address it is? What the hell, bro? They just say at Gmail. I mean, at some mail email provider name domain. That could be Gmail. Bro, I don't know which email it is. I'm going through all of them. It's I found it. Boom, boom, boom. Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. All right, yeah, it's because I was the admin that I didn't get the EULA. But yeah, even if you have the game installed, it makes you read the EULA. Cool, awesome. That's all I wanted to test out. All right, let's do it. Are we ready? Are we ready for the? Can I get a drum roll, please? Hello there. How's it going? How's it going, fourth page? Oh no! I clicked on my overlay. Here, let me try to hack it. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, I think we're ready. Just got back from the gym, putting a resume together. Grind some Valheim. Out with the ladder lads. Nice. Hell yeah. You're looking for a new job? All right, moment of truth. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Reactivate demo. Moment of truth. And it's done. It's up. Game is up. Everybody, pack your bags. Go home. Stream is over. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace. See ya, Zeke. Oh, Ravier, right on time. Right on time. How's it going? Welcome. We just as you rated, as a celebration, we released our demo publicly to the peoples. How's it going? Yes, indeed. How's your game? Oh, there's no demo thing yet, but I'll shout you out. But if you go onto Steam, here's the Steam page. It should be good. Let me triple check. It'd be embarrassing if I said it's up and it's not. Let me see. Yeah, right there. There it is. There it is, people. Try it out. If you want to stream the game also, if anyone's interested in streaming the game and wants to show their experience with the game, you can if you want to. We can do some speed. Oh, before I do that, actually, let me clear the leaderboard now. Leaderboard tools. I cleared the leaderboard ASAP. Oh shit. Fuck. There's a bug. I think there's a bug. No one's even played the game yet, and I've already found the bug. The bug is that if you have an old account already existing within memory, it's going to send that data to the leaderboard. That's the only bug currently. But yeah, we'll fix that. We'll fix that later. That's not too bad. Yeah, it's not too. I think it won't work. I'm pretty sure. Like it's gonna save the like we can try it out. But yeah, if you have an old account already, it's gonna send old leaderboard data. It's honestly not too like the demo that you've already played for most of you. Like let's say you played the demo from the Kickstarter. It's the same exact game, so it shouldn't matter. It's only if you've played really old versions like Tomer and Hellraiser and some other people. If they ever play on a new account, that data is going to get sent over. I have the really old one. So yeah, if you play that one, which it's shorter, that's why it's concerning is that if you have older, it'll just get uploaded to the server. I'll make an update pretty soon that like the thing is I actually don't even know how I'm going to update that. Cuz I don't think there's a version yeah, right now on the updated version, what we're going to do is I'll leave it the way it is, but on the next update that I make before next Friday, what we're going to do is oh, there's no Mac version. If that's I don't have a Mac version. That is another concern that I will have to leave for not today. But I will do that like ASAP. Actually, I'll do that ASAP. Suck it, Mac users. I'm sure you could do. Is there no like Proton alternative? Like or like Mac Proton thing for Steam? I guess not. Not really. All right. I will do that. I'll do that soon. But actually no, your statement was saying something else. Steam client will only support Windows 10 and later versions. It's a Steam client, which has nothing to do with me. So yeah, I don't have a Mac version, but yeah, what it says on for your thing has nothing. I don't think has to do with me. But yeah, I don't think it matters what version of Windows you're on. It should work fine either way. But I haven't tested it, like for instance on Windows 7 or XP or something like that. Ravier, I hope you're sure. I think I ignored your comment. Did 8 hours today. Got the shops and cargo spawning, ship spawning, and despawning, so you can buy and sell basic good. Hell yeah, man! I'm glad. If you have anything, do you have anything you want to share? Do you have a like? I don't think you have a Steam page yet, but you've been working hella hard, Ravier. I'm excited to see where how your game comes along in the next couple of weeks. One of these days I'll do VODs again. Yeah. Also, Clunky Chap for Get Mac. I will be supporting Mac. I just haven't had the chance to. Also, man, my green screen stuff. We're gonna have to figure that out too. Let's do the push-ups since we've hit our timer here. And then, what should we do? We can do speed runs, but I feel like did I cleared the here? Wait, let me run this one more time in case we didn't wipe it. All right, leaderboards have been wiped. Let me delete all of my accounts just to make sure I cannot cheat. Actually, let me delete it from the config from the Shortcut. But yeah, if you guys want to record any of your gameplay too and share it with me, that'd be awesome. If you want to give some feedback, you don't have to. But yeah, I feel like the game is in a pretty good spot where I don't really need too much feedback from people anymore. But I'll always watch first playthrough. It's like it's nice for me. I enjoy it. Okay. Let's do the push-ups real quick. You found a bug already? What was the bug, Fourth? I know there is one bug with saving the save button. I know that's a bug. When you spawn in, there's a few rooms that where you're not on the ground, so as soon as the spawning animation is finished, you can jump. Ah, I see. Yeah. You spawn in the center of a checkpoint. I think I will fix that probably. 1, 2. Dude, we did 425. That seems so much, like so much. I don't believe it, low key. When you spawn in, there's a few rooms that you gotta yeah. That is technically a thing. It's not a huge concern, but yeah, maybe we should spawn the player on the floor. I think I used to do that, and then we updated how our checkpoints work. What about the ranking system? Game looks hard. Don't play platformers. Game looks hard. Art is amazing. Yeah, first place now. Let me see. Here, let me play the demo. Oh, also there's a feedback button on the bottom here that you have to navigate like that. Oh yeah, we should fix that you can click on it. We'll do that later. Hey, look, it's Fourthy. 6 minutes. Here, I'll do a speed run as well. How con? Here, let me do practical on PC. Wait, this is not a speedrun. Fuck, dude. I'm playing like doo-doo. Like... If you press restart on the second screen, you get stuck. Wait a second. What? If you press restart on the second screen, Here, wait. Let me quickly play the game and see. Okay. If you press restart on the second screen, you get stuck. Let me see. Restart game or restart? Oh yeah, that is interesting. Is it everywhere, or is it only in that one? It's everywhere. Who the hell wrote this? Who thought? Who wrote that? It wasn't me. Is the game paused? Ah. No, that's so weird. Yeah, let's see. What did I must have done something recently. Or like I'm not sure. Here, let's look at that. So let me open up Gita. Why is my Logitech? I feel like my mouse is moving weird. What the hell? Just press if you're on keyboard. Are you on keyboard, Cuddy Flame? Or are you using just press R or press I guess I never press restart that way. I think the select button puts you in restarts your game by default. Unless you're used to just pressing escape. Interesting. Okay. Where's my mouse? My mouse is gone. What? Oh. Okay. Are we good now? Dude, I've been kind of annoyed by Hub lately. It's been acting weird. All right. Let me see that real quick. Honestly, I won't fix the bug today. Maybe. We'll see. It is an easy bug fix though. I might do it off stream. Let me see. Escape. We had this issue with the issue before, right? With like the resume, like it's basically the same issue. How we're handling these buttons is not the same way of how we're handling like pressing keys themselves. On restart game we say, or not restart game, restart button. Let me see. Health is equal to -1, and then we say pause is equal to false. Interesting. This should just work, actually. What are we doing when we press R? Restart? What do I press for restart? Project settings, input map, reset. Player health is equal to 0. That's all I do. Seems like oh, you know what it is? We're just setting visible to false, but that doesn't mean shit, you know? We have to close the menu, I think. Let's see. Oh wait, no, closing menu. Let me see escape menu. Go to previous panel. Pause is equal to false. Visible is false. Check profile data. Apply settings. Huh. Options menu. If instance val. Oh no, this is options menu. Yeah, all we're saying is visible is equal to false. So why on restart pressed? I will measure the health, and then visible is false, and then paused is equal. Here, what if I don't know if this is gonna make a difference, but let's try that. Very interesting. Is the game paused at that exact moment? Take a look at my score. Getting closer. Fourth page. I don't know if you know this. There's gonna be a speedrunning competition with a moolah reward. Oh, and Mellow, nice. That's your first run, right, Mellow? So far, the 100% runs is completely empty. It's you know, it's for the taking. Boom, boom. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure why the game is doing that weird thing. Here, let me say something. What if I do this? You know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that. Found a tile not meant to be there? That's possible. That is a possible thing. Okay. Games do like weird things, yeah. Huh. That is so weird, though. I don't know. The game's not paused because we see shit moving. It's like I have to pause twice for some reason. It's like something is setting paused back to... Maybe we should have checked if pause is being... Here, I guess... No, it's not that it's being paused. It's like our input's not being registered. For some reason. Check submissions. You know, I need to make a. You know what I'm gonna do with my overlay? We should have my overlay on Twitch show the leaderboard. How cool is that? How cool would that be? And then we'll see if people. I saw your submission already, Mello. I'm pretty sure. Bum, bum, bum. Also, Molluskio. Thank you for the follow. Game looks cool. Thank you. I'm trying to think. Is there anything else dude, I actually don't know why this bug is happening. Emit signal, what's this? Resume game. I think resume game has everything to do with why this is broken. Actually, no, I don't even think we use this back pressed. There is no on back press to begin with, unless that's the resume button. Let me see. Oh, it is. Here, so let's just emit the signal called resume game. That's probably what's going on here. If I had to guess. Who the hell wrote this? Who let me cook, like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago? $309? You're getting there. Wait, what was I at? Oh, you're getting there. And Lyric, whoever you are, Lyric, welcome to the race. Couldn't be me. Brother. What's going on here? Let me see what this resume game is doing. It's obviously doing something. Connect with open escape menu. On open escape menu. What the hell is this script doing? If not visible. Oh, I see now. There's some spaghetti sauce. Gonna stay out of this race for my own good. There we go. I think I'm not entirely sure what I did, but yeah, we have to emit the signal resume game instead of doing it manually here. I could just update this version. I'll do it pretty soon. I mean, hopefully you guys aren't pressing it too often. How's it going, Head Tennis? How you been? Yeah, if it was Zeke, there would be like multiple lines probably on the name. I should run a script that checks the name of the person, and if it like has any weird characters in it, I just call them like Doofus or something, you know. Doing well? Oh yeah, I'm glad. Just soaking in the turbo on difference. Nice. I'm sure. I think maybe tomorrow we can do like an online thing. Here, you know what? I low key want to grab this data. Oh man, that's gonna be annoying though. I think I want to grab this data from my leaderboard, or sorry, my overlay, and then we can throw it on the stream. Like see who, and it will even notify when people beat each other's score. That'd be pretty cool, I think. Just found 3 bugs. What are the bugs? Tell me, or post them. Actually, if you want, you can post it on the on oh, this interest. Oh yeah. This is this is yeah. I guess it's technically a bug, but it's a collision thing really. I will fix this. I'll create. All right, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. Fourth. May the fourth page. All right. I'm gonna have to set up speedrun.com pretty soon, or have it get set up. We're gonna have to make the administrative stuff, do some more administrative stuff. Oh, I gotta reach out to these. I gotta reach out to a publisher that I contacted earlier. They asked for a demo, and I told them, "Hey, you gotta wait." Here, let me just check my email. It's already kind of late. They probably won't check until like Monday, but whatever. Do you need a web services person? I can set up servers and APIs. So I'll probably be using. It's too soon to tell right now. I do plan on using. There's already like a really good resource for setting up at least placeholder leaderboard stuff for I'll have at some point I do want to have my like a server that's dedicated for Memori. Right now I'm using something called Silent Wolf. Which is it's pretty good. Or it's pretty good for, it's free. So that's awesome. I wish there was like even if I feel like if there was a paid version, I might even pay for that. But also because it's not like I have no real control over it. Like it's a really great tool, but you never know. Maybe one day they just turn it down. And I had no idea. Maybe I should learn it too. Yeah, it's here. Let me see if I can get you the website. Yeah, just look up Silent Wolf Godot. You'll see it's like they have a website. You can. That's how I'm handling the leaderboards right now. And you don't even have to. You don't even need leaderboards. You can use it for like an online saving system if you want. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then specifically, I also plan on adding the like speedrun.com API, or like figuring out the speedrun.com API for like our leaderboard, so we have something more official for displaying legit speedruns of the game. Because right now, even though we have a leaderboard, it could be hacked. Like if someone really wants to hack it, they can. Whereas with speedrun.com, it'll there needs to be video evidence, so it'd be fine. Yeah, the client, the client side, like sending data over. Hack the stuff on Silent Wolf. I mean, hack sending data to Silent Wolf wouldn't be too. I don't think it would be. You can do either. Like hack either your local your local information, and then when it uploads, it just sends it, or you just Um, there there are plenty of ways to hack it. So like even though we're creating a leaderboard, what we'll probably end up doing is creating verified accounts at some point. And prioritize verified accounts maybe LinkedIn with speedrun. I haven't thought that far out yet. But I do know for sure the speedrun.com accounts are probably going to be the most official current version, and then over time we'll figure out like more independent approaches, like having possibly some sort of login information if people want it. I'm not going to force anyone to create an account or even play the game online. But if they want to, if they're into the community aspect of the game, then we'll have an account. But yeah, we could have released this sooner, but I did want to release it this Friday just so that it's kind of like a nice day. We can feel good about our release over the weekend, and then starting Monday, we're gonna go hella hard on the competition, on the marketing, because it's the final week of the Kickstarter, by the way. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm trying to think, what else do we want to do? Overlay stuff. I want to do some level design streams. I think after the Kickstarter, we're gonna have some really cool stuff to do. More development, that is. Let's see here. What type of development? So it really depends. It depends on the Kickstarter, because if we reach the 20K goal, actually, I will. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna reach the 15K goal, and that's gonna involve making skins. And what I plan on doing is completely redoing how we're handling animations. Well, one, I'm gonna have to find an artist, so that's gonna be another thing. But I'm going to completely redo how we're handling animations for the player, separating everything into their own, like, sections, like a head, a hat, a chest, legs, and arms, and then potentially other accessories in the future. So I have to create a new system for that. Well, one, I need to find an artist to create a template, and then I need to obviously create the system. But honestly, I don't think the system's going to be that difficult to make. Were you planning on redoing the main character as well? Yeah. The current character that you see right now, not completely redoing it. 250. Oh, fourth page. You're getting faster and faster. I'm gonna have to do another run pretty soon, just to here. You know what? Let's do it. Oh shit! I was not ready. Also, by the way, if you know you're about to mess up, I'm pretty sure this works, where you can run speedrun mode now, and this should work properly. If I'm a good programmer, which, okay, yeah, I got scared for a second. If I'm good, if I'm a good programmer, which obviously I am because it works. The feature has no bugs in it. Then yeah, you could go in speedrun mode if you know you messed up, and then just quickly start again. By pressing escape and then restart game. What did I want to do? I wanted to change my key bindings though, because my arrow keys are broke. Dude, I think my arrow keys are broken, and so are my, and so is my numpad. Dude, I don't know. I think I need a new keyboard. Or I need a better excuse, because I. Oh my god, I was playing it on my fucking... Ignore that. What's the cat's name? The cat's name is... It's always been Jasper. Yeah, it's always been Jasper. I don't see myself wanting to change the name. But I also don't mind if it stays... if it stays sort of like unknown. Like the player is unnamed. Kind of. Like, yeah, the player is unnamed. And when I named the cat, it was also when I originally had a name for the player as well. But now I kind of want to keep it sort of like sort of anonymous, like not anonymous, but like, you know, you're the player, you know. That's the idea. So I don't want to assign any like identity to the player that isn't them, you know? You have skins, you have full custom ability, or that's probably going to be the thing that we do. So if there's full custom ability, why give it the name? Why give a name to the player? The player can imagine. That's actually a good idea. We can do that. Give the just like you can name. That's actually a really good idea. I'm gonna do that now. Actually, so my cat's name is Jasper. Your cat's name is whatever you want it to be. We'll do a name generator as well. Menchichi Momo. There it is. I think this is a disgraceful speedrun. Sometimes I wonder who lets me cook all this time. I wonder how the kitchen hasn't been burned down. It's actually crazy. Yo, Odd Oculus, how's it going? Thank you. How's it going? Thank you for the raid. I feel like we haven't spoken in a minute. Quit. Oh shit. I'm trying to do a speed run of our demo. By the way, our demo just came out, so if you're interested in playing this game and want to see the first chapter, you can. Exclamation Steam, I think, is the command. We should have an exclamation demo as well, but yeah, there it is. How's it going? I will shout you out in the very near future. Odd raid, whoop whoop. How's it going? How's it going? Factory Reset. Did you change your name, Factory Reset? Are you Factory Resetum, or are you another Factory Reset? Dude, this speedrun, I gotta say, is super disgraceful. Like, yeah, I don't know, man. I think we needed to do like a public speedrun tomorrow or something. Release when? The demo is out now. The release of the game. So the release of the game depends heavily. Well, okay, so it depends because like I do want to get the game done by June. And I know that's an it's very ambitious, but I think we can at least get the like for instance, I'll definitely have the game out by June for the backers, and then but the public demo might take a little longer. Or sorry, the public game might take a little longer. Just so that, or what we might do is make it like an early access. We'll see. But I would like to have something complete. Basically complete. All right, 250. I did worse. Than before. I don't know why. Yeah, it's bad. How's it going? Odd? I hope you've been well. Check the time. All right, give me 1 second. I want to check out what Odd Oculus has been up to. Oh, you got a raid. Oh, never mind. You got a raid and run. All right. Well, thank you again for the raid, and I'll see you. I'll have to see you around. Hope your game is coming along well. I also, by the way, I love the flames behind your stream. I always thought it was cool. I see you got the UI. I think you got the UI working really well. Bug fixing movement, nice. Movement is super important. Oh, I see. I think I see. Can further optimize the route, but yeah. I will say the competition that we're going to be doing is going to be a 100% run, just to increase the potential for just playing the game. But yeah, Billy approve. Let me see your playthrough, or let me see your not your playthrough, your leaderboard. Did you beat me? I'm sure. Let me see. Forthy, and Zeke, and Whale, and Mello. Look at that. Already 6 people on. That's awesome. Any 100% runs yet? No, not yet. You can get 213 if it's the you can get 213 if it's the same level as last week demo. It is the same. I'm pretty sure it's the same. Took 11 seconds off. Nice. Yeah, maybe we'll do like a race or something tomorrow. I'm trying to think if there's anything specifically that we can do. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna stream too much now. I do have to do some outreach, but again, it doesn't matter because we're gonna have to wait until Monday anyway. Starting this this Monday, we gotta work really hard. I feel like I've taken a break this week. Gotta email a publisher. Push-ups. Oh yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I should update that too. We'll do that tomorrow. I think that'll be exciting to work on. Boom, 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 boom. I should make a Twitter post too. All right. And now we're at 4:45. The army infantry. Oh, nice. I'm glad you like my my form. Okay. I do want to stream more, but yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good to take a small break, relax a little bit. I think starting, well, we'll stream tomorrow again, but starting Monday, I think I'm gonna mentally prepare myself for those 12-hour streams again. I think we have to. We can either do. Loki want to play some horror games actually, but we'll have to see if there's anything. What do you do on 12-hour streams? The same thing that we did during this 3-hour stream, just way more. Usually, if I have the issue is that I have to do 12-hour streams starting Monday. Yeah, I I want to. No promises, but I do want to. It's my final week of the Kickstarter, so it's good if I full send it. The demo's so fun. Oh, nice. I'm glad you like it, Ravier. 12-hour dev grinding. Something like that. We'll be doing a lot of administrative stuff too, outreach, similar to how we've been doing earlier. Let me see. Let's see. Speedrunning went. So here, wait. Monday. I'll probably still stream tomorrow though. Overall game dev, whole production, that's cool. Tune. Hell yeah, yeah. That is what we do usually around these parts. Whole game dev. Administrative stuff. Email outreach. Do I have to do any more? I think we're gonna have to do some more YouTuber outreach. I think that'd be a really good idea. Also, I want to send some messages to Thor, see if he'll notice if I send like bits and stuff. Phoenix, how's it going? I feel like I haven't seen you in a hot minute. What you been up to? How's your game coming along? I feel like, did I see something that you made on Twitter? I'm trying to remember what I saw last. I feel like I have seen something of yours. Enix. Phoenix. Your name Phoenix? What the hell? What the frick? Where are you? Oh. Phoenix. There we go. Whoops. I did not see this. Whoa, this actually looks hella cool. I see you've upgraded the UI there. That's awesome. Whoa. Nice. What? Oh, there we go. Did I see the floor that shouldn't? Yeah, I did. I'll make some updates actually here. Let's write that down. For the game, update buttons, change black bar. What did I mean by that? Sometimes, I write stuff and I'm like, of course. Change the black bar, of course. What does that mean though? Update buttons? Sure, we did that. But there is one other update, a save button. Can't be focused. More VFX. Yeah, I noticed the... Yeah, I really have no idea what I meant by this. We did write that a long time ago, though. But what I do want to do is update spike hitboxes, as well as update the spike shader. We technically already fixed the respawn or reset button on main menu. I just have to upload that. Um, hmm. What else? What else? How's it going, Symbol? How you been? How's your new states for the player, and using resource files for all of the states? Oh, that it's been doing pretty great. Doing great. Nice. Hell yeah. Glad to hear it. You don't have a Steam page yet, right? Yeah, we should do more outreach. I can do that off stream too. Um. Oh, we should also make a feature for the leaderboards. Um, to remove old, to remove any old versions of global data. If versions do not match. Updating my visuals, nice. Yeah, made a mock-up and it got me hell yeah. Yeah, I think you notice most of your it's crazy like how long you might develop a game, work on the systems and like the all of the mechanics and stuff, and then like it looks like shit for the longest time, and like that can be discouraging sometimes, but then once you start adding all of the graphics, it makes you truly realize how much work you did. Like for me when I updated my art, it feels like a completely different game now. Oh, this is Brand. Exactly, Phoenix. Feel strong, man. Hey, yo, we just popping in to say what's up before bed. Got a long drive. Oh, yeah. I just saw your DM, Colchis. I'll send you a DM. I'll write back to you. But yeah, good luck on your move and stuff. Just merged 74 GitHub commits into the main branch. I looked at the old version on, yeah. The girl, oh, yeah. I still like playing like old versions of the game and seeing how crap it is. Makes me proud of how far we've come. So we got to make sure that the global data versions remove any versions if they don't attach. Um, Currently debating on how to tackle a problem I have. I've been doing a certain way in some of my systems, but I don't feel it's right. Yeah, I get that. So sometimes I feel like even if it's not right, sometimes it's good to just like continue onwards. I think it depends on everyone's situation, but for me, like I know there are a few things I have to refactor in my game, and like obviously it could have been better if I did it in the moment, but like I wouldn't have made so much progress as well. So, um, yeah, I would say don't get too fixated on it. In my take whatever I say with a grain of salt, but sometimes it's better to just like if it works for now just keep it, and then when you need to make the huge update just go for it. Spent a lot of times refactoring in circles in my game to the point I took 6 months off. Yeah. um just a grain. KBRB. Wait, what's going on? Deflux, how's it going? Welcome, but also okay. Is my camera blurry? Dude, where I always lose where my camera is. Here we go. Mm-mm. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I got so stressed when I go back. I'm gonna simplify it and just get it done. Yeah. The side effect of this problem is that the new systems I'm adding are done in a better way and now clash with the older. I see, and I don't mean just in code. Just in code looks. I see. Okay. Also, I don't know if I thanked Clunky Chap, but thank you for the follow. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it here. I was gonna maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow maybe we'll do some horror. I was thinking every Saturday we can play horror games. But yeah, the demo is up. We are good. Let's see who's online. Who is online? I think I saw someone earlier that I would want to raid. Oh, they're not. I don't think they're streaming anymore. Who was it that I saw? Damn. Oh, you know who it was? You know who I think it was? I think it was Ravier. I think I saw Ravier and I wanted to raid Ravier. I think he raided me. Or it was Odd Oculus. Congrats on getting the demo. Thank you. It was either Odd Oculus or Ravier that I wanted to raid, and they both raided me. So, I don't think I've ever seen. I think they're relatively new to streaming, actually. Ray March. I'm not entirely sure what they do, actually, but we can give them a raid. Do they speak? I think they do speak. I mean, they're working. Alrighty. But thank you again, everybody. Thank you for everyone who play tested. Up until this point, anyone who's going to participate, everyone who watches my streams, finds whatever I do interesting. TY for the stream, TY for joining. I'll be back tomorrow for sure. If anyone's interested in the Kickstarter, you could find it there. I'll be making some updates to the overlay to the game. We'll do some administrative stuff tomorrow as well. Yeah, I'm excited. See you, Whale Time. Also, everybody, congratulate Whale Time on our newly addition to the mod family. I guess it's not much of a. I wouldn't say it's like anything super special, but yeah. I'm glad to have you. Dan Grep suggested CM Griffing. Maybe next time. I would be interested in rating CM Griffing too. But I think we're gonna go for Ray March today. Oh, there we go. I think their stream was muted the whole time. Yeah, watch out. Yeah, be careful. Can't trust Whale Time. You can't trust Whale Time because they worked for Bethesda. Like that's already like that's a red flag in my eyes. Just started the raid. Oh my god, Cricket. Cricket, what the hell? Perfect timing. Every raid so far has been perfect. Oh my goodness, Cricket. I'm leaving, I am. It was Mudbound. I was also thinking of raiding Mudbound too. I saw your name and I was like, oh, that'd be a perfect raid too. God damn it, people. What the hell? Thank you. How's it going, Cricket? How's your game coming along? You know, we'll chat a little bit longer. I canceled the raid. Sorry to get you guys excited. Here, let me see what Cricket was up to. How's the train game? What is it? Cricket's making a game. And I'm not sure if this is the official title, but it's called Run a Train. I don't know where he came up with that title, but it's definitely an interesting title nonetheless. Oh, I have not seen a house. I've not seen houses yet. I like trains, yeah. The ultimate quick Fix. Nike. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Go to the end. Let's go to the end. Let's see what's in the end. Are you in like, oh yeah, on 1.5 speed? I'm like, dude, you're speaking fast. But it's looking good. When you anticipate? I know you said you want to release this for mobile, right? That's gonna be exciting too. Or tablet, mobile, the whole shebang. Did a line of coke before the stream? Hell yeah. Or actually, that was a that was a joke. We do not promote the usage of recreational drugs on practical NPC streams. You're practically there. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was actually there. You know, it's funny. I made an announcement. I think I was too quick to make the announcement because someone made a pretty big pledge and then they took it back. So I made the announcement after they made the pledge and then they took it. So there's like a Twitter post right now that says I reached the Kickstarter goal, the stretch goal. Rip, yeah, rip indeed. I saw it. I was like, I checked this morning because it was like a pretty big pledge, and I checked. I even like messaged the person. I was like, "Thank you so much." And then I woke up this morning. I checked, it was gone, and I was like, "Oh, okay. Well, let me go into because it showed on my overlay, so I had to edit the. Right now, if someone pledges and then unpledges, the push-ups still stay the same. So like if someone pledged, however, like $1 right now, it would turn into 187 pending push-ups, but if they unpledged, it would still stay as 187. But yeah, that's okay. Oh look, it's me. There's an alternate universe where they didn't take it back, so you can just. I mean, honestly, it is what it like. I don't know. I'm happy with everything so far. It's been good. Like just this community, the people who have backed the project, the people who I've been like talking, like the publishers. Even though there's not really a relationship there, but like talking to them and stuff has been interesting. So like I can't complain, honestly. Everything has been good, and anything above the initial baseline is or the initial base funding has already been just awesome. Much love. I gotta watch Spirited Away with my enjoy. That's an awesome film to watch. So yeah, hell yeah. Irad, it's pretty late for you. What are you doing? What are you doing up? All right. But yeah, thank you again, Cricket. Also, Mudbound. I assume you rated Cricket, and that's how that happened. So thank you for the proxy raid. And yeah, I'll see you guys around. Let's go. We were gonna go for who are we gonna go for? I was gonna go for Ray March. Hopefully they're not overwhelmed by like a 72 person raid. But if they are, that's okay. Be sure to show them some love. Maybe I've never done this, but like let's make a raid message. What's a good raid message? I'm gonna steal Aaron's. Aaron I feel like does a lot of raid messages, so we'll just all say I'm gonna say hi, and then Pomodoro raid. We didn't really do Pomodoro though. We just did push-ups. We'll say hi for now, and we'll try to figure out more messages. But yeah, give them some love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Push-ups raid. Till next time, bye. Feel strong. Will time, I'll see you. I read. Hope to see some more procedural generation. Mudbound, hope to see your game up and running pretty soon. Cricket, you too. And thank you, everybody. Thank you for sticking around. Not just today, but the whole thing. It's been great. It's been a fun journey.